Hello YouTube, this is Storm5565 here with another video. Today I will teach you how to make a Minecraft 1.2.5 bukkit server. Okay, so first off, you will need to make a new folder and call it whatever you want. I will name mine server for simplicity's sake. And then you will need to go to www.bukkit.org. Link will be in the description. Then you should see somewhere around here the recommended build for your Minecraft version. Click on that, click download craftbukkit recommended build. I already have it, so I won't do it. Okay, so once you've got alright, so once you have that, put it in your folder. Open your folder, rename it just craftbukkit. And then, why did I close that? Go back to bukkit.org. Alright, go back to bukkit.org, hit get craftbukkit. And if you have Windows, you will use this one, this code. If you have Linux, you will use this one, and if you have Macs, I'll just use it for Windows. Okay, so for Windows, copy all this. Okay. Copy all that. Copy all that text. Hit new text document. Name it whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. Open it up. Paste that stuff in there. Do file. Save as. And then RUN.bat. The .bat part is very important, so what Minecraft knows where to read it from, basically. So just hit save, and you should get this little majigga here. Double click on that, run your server, and you'll get a bunch of errors at first because it's loading it up. And then just wait for the spawn to get all ready. And while it's doing that, I really need to stop. I didn't click on Minecraft X. While it's doing that, you want to. Dang it, Alright, go to bukkit.org again, because I keep closing it out because I'm stupid. Go to get plugins, type in essentials, and then click on essentials, a collection of useful commands. Then what you want to do is download essentials core download and group manager download. I'm just going to do this. There we go. And once you have, okay. And once you have these two, which is what you should get from downloading both, and your server should be done. Type in stop, hit enter, wait for it to say the chunks, and then open your server file, hit plugins, it should be empty, then click on essentials group manager, and then you just want the essentials group manager.jar. You do not want the essentials group bridge, whatever it's called. So once you're done with that, close that, then open essentials and copy all of this good stuff into your plugins folder. Once you're done with that, hit back, run your server up again, and it should load up all the group manager stuff. There it is. It should go up and it should say done. Then oh yeah, forgot. Okay, now that that's all done, what we need to do now is port forwarding. Yay. Why did I open this up? Okay, so to start off with port forwarding, what you need to do is fix that. You need to hit start, type in CMD, and then once you got here, type in ipconfig. Then what you need to do is find your default gateway. It should be the default gateway. Then once you got that, you should probably write it down or whatever you want to do. There. And then what you want to do is type it into your search bar. And if you're using Netgear, the default username should be admin. The default password should be password. If that doesn't work, then somebody changed it in your household or place of business or whatever. Okay, so what you want to do is, from here, you need to find where it says port forwarding and /port triggering. Then what you need to do is do add custom service. Add custom service. You should have a service name. You can name it whatever you want. I'll name it that. Then protocol TCP/UDP. Internal starting port 25565. External starting port, ending port 25565. And then internal IP address. And that is, if you kept this open, it should be your IPv4 address. So write that down, or copy and paste it into here. You should only have to put in the last two boxes. And once you do that, hit save or apply, log out, close out your search bar. Oh yeah, whoops. Then what you want to do is go to Google, type in IP chicken. It should be the first thing that comes up. Click on that, and copy your IP. This is the IP you'll give to all your friends and whoever the heck you want to join your server. Let's test it out now. Let me close that out. Okay, so type in your IP address. You can type in your IP address and the port that you put on it into your Minecraft world. And where's the computer? I will pause till that shuts the heck up. Okay, so it looks like my computer's not gonna be quiet. Yeah. Okay, so once you get in, you should start off with 2s. And it should start you off in your world. Okay, yeah, I forgot. You gotta make yourself P. You do that by typing in OP, your name, and hit enter. In the command module, it says you are now off. Okay, so that works. And 1 second, people. Okay, so then we'll disconnect from your server, close out Minecraft. What was he gonna do? Brain just went dead there for a second. Oh yeah. Okay. Go into your plugins folder, hit Group Manager, Worlds, World, then hit Groups, open with Notepad++ or whatever you want, and then you have the Group Manager config. Now, you don't need to go into this, but this is only if you want to add commands or whatever, or add prefixes and stuff like that. So if you look here, it says groups default true. True means that whenever somebody joins your server, that's what they'll start out as. And then it has the default permissions, and it has the prefix, which you will need to add if you want. And then suffixes, alright, this will show up before the name. which is why it's called prefix. And then suffix will appear after the name. And then so on, builder, whoops. I put brackets just so it looks nicer. Moderator, admin, owner. That's just for simplicity's sake. I'll go into more detail if you guys want. And you want to save it, close that out. You don't have to stop your whole server, you can just type in reload, and it will reload the entire server. Done. Now, open up Minecraft again. My computer's being stupid again. Rejoin the server. Do /man promote your name, and then owner. If you're the owner of the server, type in whatever you want. And yes, it says owner before my name. And that's about it for your server, everybody. Yeah, that's about it. So, if this helped, like, favorite, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any, if this didn't work, do not dislike the video. Leave a comment saying what went wrong or anything of that sort. So, thank you, and as always, have a nice day.